Hi guys, welcome to this new video where I'm going to be talking about how to make a low bun with natural twist.
Let's go. I'ma keep winning till the world stops spinning. I'ma keep winning till the world stops spinning. I'ma keep winning till the world stops spinning. I'ma keep winning till the world stops. Independent women, let's go. Keep it up for me, come on. Winning till the world stops spinning.
So natural twist is 20 inches long. This is on fold actually, it's really long. Let me show you the one I stretched out. So you see how long the length is, like all of this. You know, when kinky hair is as long as this, it gives you room for a lot of styling options. And that's what we're going to use today to create that beautiful bun. Another reason why I love this hair is the texture. It is very soft and it feels like the kinky hair. And it looks really natural. Then I also observed that in packing this, they had to separate each lot so that the hair doesn't, you know, shrink and tangle together. This is a good thing. So I would take out each of this just to ensure that I can stretch the hair properly and then use it for the low bun style that I'm about to create right now. Natural twist also comes in different colors. The color I'm using today is color 1. And I'm sure that this hair is going to turn out really nice. I have with me Ella. Hi Ella. So let's get right in and do this. This style is a low pony style and I'm going to create a bun just at the nape region. I have a center parting because this fits Ella so well and she's looking really beautiful with this parting already. So I would just attach my natural twist hair extension to where I have the pony. I'll attach it right there with bobby pins. So this is my natural twist hair extension. I have already stretched it out. This hair is natural, so it tends to shrink. So you have to stretch it out to get the best from it. I'm going to take each of these and just pin it right in here where I have the bun. I'm pinning it firmly to ensure that it's well secured. I don't want her bun to fall off while she's dancing. That won't be a good thing. So I have all of this and I'm just sliding in right in there. This is a quick style. You can achieve this style in less than 10 minutes. And it's something you can just do on your own. It's very easy. Just pin it in and secure it firmly and nicely. So this is what we have right now. This is what it looks like. So I'm done with attaching the natural twist hair extension. The next thing is for me to create the low bun right at the nape region. I have with me this hair padding. I'm just going to attach that right here at the nape. And I'll secure it with bobby pins so that it stays firmly. I try to crisscross as much as I can to ensure that the hair is well placed. So my bun is attached. Right now, I'm going to create a beautiful crescent shape by wrapping the natural twist hair extension over the hair padding. So I'll take bit by bit, wrap it around, take little sections, wrap it. Then as I wrap it, I'll pin it in. I need it to stay firmly. Just hold the hair firmly and try to ensure that you achieve that desired shape as you pin it all the way. It's very important how you pin. So when you pin, make sure your pins crisscross this way, like this way. So your first pin goes in and then the second one crosses it right over. Okay, make sure that it looks balanced from the front, so you can just adjust it, adjust the padding with your hands so that it looks balanced from the front. This is a beautiful low bun with natural twist and it looks very smooth. That's one thing I love about this hair. The curl pattern is so defined and the hair is really nice. So see what we have here. So I'll just go ahead and accessorize this hair, adding a bit of clips to the sides just to make it look more trendy and more beautiful, like this. So I have this on one side. And I have this on the other side. And I'm also going to use my golden hair grips. This will make it look really beautiful. So I'm done with this beautiful low bun crescent shaped style. It is so nice. I'm going to show you another creative way to style natural twist. So just stick around and I'll be right back. Now I'm going to show you how to use natural twist for crochet. I already have my cornrow base done, so all I'm going to do now is to start crocheting it. I have a beautiful model right here and her name is Princess. Hi Princess. Alright, so let's get right in. Crocheting is very easy. All you need to do is just take a piece of natural twist, whichever hair you're using, in this case natural twist. So you take a piece of it and then use your crocheting pin, create a loop through the cornrow base, and before you know it, you're done. You just lock it up. So let's get started. Please tilt your head forward. All right. This is how you crochet. Just slide in your bobby pin, hook it up with the hair, slide it out, and finally lock it up by creating a knot, just a firm knot, and that is all. I actually cut this natural twist into two, so this is a two-part cutting. That's why it appears a bit short, but when you stretch it out, it's still long, you know. So let's do that again. You just keep going round and round, whichever style you want. If you want to do a side parting, center parting, no parting, it will still come out really nice. So you just keep crocheting all around. The volume of hair depends on how full you want the hair to be. I'm going to be using 2 packs of natural twist, so this hair is going to look pretty full and nice. So this can take about 30 minutes to install, so I need you to just stick around. I'm almost done with installing my natural twist. I just need to close up this part so that I can part it whichever way I want to, whether I want to do a side parting or leave it as a full-blown afro. So you can see that natural twist is very versatile. You can use it for a lot of styles. So I'm done with this beautiful crochet that turned out as a big afro, just like my hair. This is so nice. It looks more like the old school afro, and you know that styles revolve, so the old school afro is coming back to trend. This is really nice. So this is all for the big fro with natural twist. This hair is beautiful and it speaks volumes. The next style we're going to be doing is the top bun roll tuck and pin style with natural twist. Now I'm going to show you another creative way to style natural twist. And I have with me another beautiful model, Dara. Hi Dara. Okay, so this style is very easy and it's something you can just do at home. It's called a high bun roll tuck and pin style. High bun in the sense that you hold a bun up here and then attach natural twist that is already looped over a thread. Just wrap it round and then pin it down, whichever way you want, and it will come out really nice. So let's get right in. I'm using natural twist color 33 for this style. So this is my natural twist. I'll just wrap it around this bun and tie it firmly. Trying to get the hair off her face. So you see, this is very easy. You just tie, go around, knot it to secure it right here. So I'm done with that step. The next step is to take 6 sections and then twist it down loosely. So I'm moving this section. I have one right here, section 1. I'm going to do twisting but very loose. Always remember to stretch out your Afro kinky hair. That's one way you can get the best out of it. So, I'm done twisting. I have 6 locks. Oops. So the next thing I'm going to do is to wrap these locks around the bun and then pin them nicely down to secure the bun firmly. I'm just going to create a beautiful pattern on the hair so it looks really nice. I'm taking my first piece around the bun to create more height. And then I'm tucking in the ends nicely. That's the first. The second one would go up to, just to create a nice pattern right there. The third one comes all the way to the front, just like this. Then I hide it somewhere here. Oh, this is already looking so lovely. I still have 3 looks. I'll just keep building, adding volume to the hair so that it looks really nice and ensuring that I have a beautiful pattern right in front. Wow, these can actually go as a style, you know. But that's not the style we're doing, so we're going to pin everything up. While you pin it, ensure that it is balanced. Ensure that the hair is balanced. One side is not higher than one side so that it would look more beautiful. What do you think, Dara? This is so nice. You love it, right? Wow. Let's turn around and see how this looks. Wow, this is a beautiful top bun with natural twist. It's the roll tuck and pin style and it is gorgeous. This is a really nice contemporary look that you can wear for a wedding. You can wear this for a party. You can wear it if you want to hang out with friends. If you're going on vacation, this hairstyle is perfect and it's low maintenance, so you don't necessarily need to stress yourself on a daily basis. All you need to do is just primp your edges and ensure that the hair is smooth, and it would always look this beautiful. I hope you had an insightful learning experience watching this video. What I want you to do right now is to try this hair at home and share your experience with me right in the comment section. It is very easy to do and I'm sure that when you try it, it will come out looking really nice. So share this video, like it, and drop your comments right in the comment section. And please subscribe to this channel. My name is Ekemni and I'm your professional hairstylist. Bye.